Hi there, students. Mercy, a noun, both countable and uncountable. You could have merciful, an adjective, and mercifully, the adverb. You could also have merciless and mercilessly, without mercy. Okay, let's see. This word mercy, it actually displaced the Old English word mild heart. And if somebody is merciful, they have a mild heart. Yeah, they don't punish people as hard as hard as they could. So if somebody is merciful, this is kindness. That means that you forgive someone. But normally somebody you have authority over, you have power over. So as a teacher, I like to be merciful to my students. Yeah, they begged the judge to have mercy. Yeah, the prisoners begged for mercy. Or the killers showed no mercy. So this is to be kind, not to hurt somebody that you have authority over. Yeah, and this is the idea of being merciful. Yeah, it's not being unpleasant to people, showing compassion and tolerance, particularly to somebody who's done something wrong when they're in your power. Yeah, to treat somebody leniently, to treat them compassionately. Yeah, so please be merciful. Yeah, don't punish me to the full extent that you can. Reduce it a bit, make the punishment less hard. And this is really the idea of mercy. Yeah, they choose not to harm or hurt somebody. They have power over them, or they forgive them, even though they have the right to punish them. Yeah, may God have mercy on your soul. Yeah. Okay, so mercy. That I think it really is the main meaning of mercy. You could be at somebody's mercy, or at the mercy of something. You're in a situation where somebody or something has complete power over you. So if you own a fishing boat, you are at the mercy of the weather. The weather has power over you. If it's very stormy, you can't go fishing. Yeah, he was at the mercy of the lion. The lion had its paw on him, and could do anything that it wanted with him. Yeah, I think the child was at the mercy of an abusive parent. So if you are at somebody's mercy, or at the mercy of something, then you are powerless to stop it. You are wholly in their power, and you have no way to protect yourself. Okay, so at the mercy of something. You could have a mercy trip, or a mercy action. This is something that is designed to help somebody who is in great need. So a mission of mercy. Yeah, I went to take food to my uncle as a mission of mercy, because he was ill in bed and couldn't cook. Yeah, or maybe they sent food to the country as a mission of mercy. Yeah, or maybe there were mercy flights to get people out of the country. Yeah, to save them. Or you could have a mercy killing. This is talking about euthanasia, when somebody is in terrible, terrible pain. and they're not going to survive, then I personally think mercy killing is a good thing to do to stop somebody from suffering. You're providing a merciful end. Yeah. Let's see, Merciless. The storm beat the coast mercilessly. Yeah, without mercy. Yeah, without stopping, without mercifulness. Okay, so mercilessly, not stopping. It was an act of mercy to help people in distress, to help people in a difficult situation. You could also use this word, a mercy, countable this time. It was a mercy that nobody was hurt. It was a blessing. It was lucky. Yeah? You could be at the mercy of the elements, at the mercy of, without any protection against, hopeless before, without any hope of something. You could throw yourself on someone's mercy. Yeah? So, they have the power to be merciful if they want. Please be merciful, be generous. Yeah? It had rained for 2 weeks, and it was a mercy when it finally stopped and the sun came out. Okay, so mercy, merciful. Formality. I think I'm probably going to give them all a 5.5 in formality. Use absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Anglo-Norman, merci, but this itself comes from Latin, mercies, meaning your wages, the price, the fee, from mercs, meaning merchandise or products. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Mercy, merciful.